Microsoft Teams is releasing their new meeting interface and their Together mode soon. In this video, we'll be looking at how you can enable it now for your Microsoft Teams meetings. Microsoft is allowing targeted users to try out the new features and the Together mode as a public preview. Unfortunately, it will not be available in live events or in the free version of Microsoft Teams. If your school has an educational license with Microsoft, this should be available to you in the coming weeks. In order to see if you have access to the new Microsoft Teams meetings right now, you will need to be using a Windows or Mac device. To enable the new Microsoft Teams meetings, open the Microsoft Teams app and log in, and then click on your profile picture at the top of the screen and select Settings. If you are a targeted user, in the General tab, under the Applications section, enable the Turn on New Meeting Experience option. You will now need to restart the Microsoft Teams app. If you do not see the option to turn on the new meeting experience, you may need to check you are running the latest version of Microsoft Teams. To do this, click on your profile picture again and select Check for Updates. This may display a notice stating that the app is checking for an update and it will install it if there is one available. However, this may depend on whether your IT admin staff are allowing this new feature to be previewed. Once it has finished checking or installing the latest version, a notice may appear stating that you are running the latest version available to you, and you may be prompted to restart the app. You can now test out the new Teams meeting interface by starting an instant Meet Now meeting or a scheduled meeting. Choose one of these to enhance your teaching and learning further, and subscribe to the Teach Me channel so you know when more useful videos are released.